Hi everyone, in this video I will explain to you what is the best CRM for health providers. Salesforce Health Cloud versus Cario versus HubSpot versus Antina Health. First with the Salesforce Health Cloud. It is best for large hospitals, healthcare networks, and organizations needing customization. What it does well, centralize patient information, care plans, and communication. Offers powerful analytics and custom workflows. Integrate with other systems easily. Its downsides are expensive and require setup expertise. Second is the Cario, best for small to mid-sized practices. What it does well, focuses on medical billing and practice management. Helps with scheduling, insurance claims, and telehealth. User-friendly and affordable. Downsides are limited CRM features compared to others. Third is the HubSpot, best for healthcare providers who want a simple marketing-focused CRM. What it does well, tracks patients' communication and marketing campaigns. Helps with patient acquisition and follow-up. Easy to use and integrates with other tools. Downside is not built specifically for healthcare, so some customization is needed. Lastly is the Athena Health, best for practices needing a mix of EHR, electronic health records, and patient management. What it does well, combines EHR, billing, and patient engagement. Offers tools for telehealth and care coordination. Cloud-based and easy to access. Its downside is can be pricey for smaller practices. So which one should you choose? Choose Salesforce Health Cloud if you need a powerful, customizable system for large-scale patient management. Choose Cario if you run a small to mid-sized practice focused on billing and scheduling. Choose HubSpot if you want a simple CRM to manage patient communication and marketing. Lastly, choose Athena Health if you need a combination of patient records, billing, and telehealth tools. And that's basically it.